Did you know the food and beverage industry uses just 20 to 40% of its total production capacity? The main reasons for this include unstable production, limited flexibility, and constrained performance. But it doesn't have to be that way. At Tetra Pak, we tailor our services to improve your operational performance and cost competitiveness. As an experienced service provider, we offer industry-leading expertise and a wide portfolio of solutions, whether you need equipment maintenance or advice on how to optimize your production. We have the people, portfolio, and presence to achieve your performance goals. Through continued support, our on-site engineers monitor your production and recommend ways to improve your performance and reliability. In the unlikely event of an unplanned failure, we quickly correct the issue and identify its root cause, minimizing costly downtime and preventing reoccurring failures. Supported every step of the way, our experts train your staff to keep production running smoothly. And with our digital service tool, you can connect staff throughout your operation and even enable on-the-go training. Whatever journey you're on, we have the skills and support to enable your business success. Tetra Pak protects what's good.